Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today in this video I am going to tell you how to insert bullet points in Excel. So it is very simple, let's do it. First of all, click on insert. It is the first method, and click on symbol. Then scroll down and find the dark circle. This one, just click on insert. You can see the bullet point is inserted here. Now you can replicate this. Okay, and another method is the shortcut trick. Just press the alt plus and 7 from the keyboard and you can see the bullet point is inserted. Alt plus 7, alt plus 7. Okay, you can see. So hope you like this video guys. Please do subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.